We'll guide you through how to use Wix for dropshipping. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. Once you're in, from the dashboard, click on Add Apps in the left sidebar. This will take you to the Wix app market. Search for a dropshipping app like Modalist or Spocket, which are popular choices. Click on the app and then select Add to Site. Follow the on-screen instructions to integrate the app with your Wix website. After adding the app, you'll see it under the Apps section in your dashboard. Click on it to open and set up your dropshipping store. You'll need to browse through the catalog and select the products you want to sell. It's important to choose products that align with your store's niche and target audience. Once you've selected your products, add them to your store with attractive descriptions and pricing. The dropshipping app will handle inventory and shipping, so you can focus on marketing and sales. Make sure to also customize your store's design to make it appealing to customers. With Wix, you can easily drag and drop elements to create a professional-looking storefront. Don't forget to connect a payment method under the Settings tab, so you can receive payments from your customers. You can choose from various payment providers like PayPal or Stripe. Finally, preview your store to ensure everything looks good and functions correctly before going live. Once everything is set, click Publish to launch your dropshipping site to the world. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.